So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
My name is Enyonam from AnsMed, and I'm the marketing officer here. Please, can you introduce yourself and the course you are doing?
Okay, I'm Enyonam Nyamote.
Okay.
I'm offering professional caregiving and health assistance
Okay.
at AnsMed Institute.
Okay. So, why did you choose AnsMed?
Yeah, I chose AnsMed because I've heard a lot about them on social media.
Okay.
Yeah, I got to know about AnsMed on social media, precisely Facebook.
Okay.
So I started following the institute, and then I got interest in coming to have a course here.
Okay.
So I joined through the social media, and as we speak, I can see them on Facebook and TikTok all over, the reels all over.
Okay.
So that's where I got to know about it.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
What message would you like to share with people considering a career in caregiving and healthcare?
Yeah. At first we thought that being a caregiver is just something small.
Okay.
It's a light program. But when I got to AnsMed, I've learned a lot about the caregiving.
Okay.
So if you want to be a caregiver, you need to go through a lot of training to know more about what you are about to do. Okay. You don't have to just get up and then start advertising yourself. I'm a caregiver. No, you need to go through a lot of training to know more about the people you are going to handle, because the people you are going to work with, some are dementia people,
Okay.
Old age, and you know that those people, there are a little difficulty about them. So when you get the training and you know how to handle them, the work will be easy for you. Yeah, and you can work anywhere whenever you have the training.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. AnsMed is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and what are your wishes for the institution, or what are your wishes for AnsMed?
Yeah. One thing I'll say before wishing the institute, yeah, the lecturers here, they are lovely.
Right.
Yeah, they don't care whether you are a student or not. Yeah, they are very good. They are free, and they are all ever ready to teach you whatever. If you don't understand something and you approach them, they are ready to help you out. Okay. So I want to first thank the lecturers of AnsMed Institute. Wow. And all the workers. When I got here, when I was coming, I thought, hey, wait, how am I going to cope with the lecturers and then the student? Even being in the class is very amazing. Yeah, the student